This is one of the better shows. Just all nails, super energetic, crazy, in a good way. So I'm really excited to be here today, to go and hang and chill and kick some butt. I have no idea where the hell I'm going. Got it. Good. Bro, look at the line. Hi. Hi guys.
Sure.
This line is crazy.
Hey.
How you guys doing?
Hi.
Good? How you guys doing?
Hi.
Good? Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Hi. Hello. Hello, hello, hello.
And then whatever is in
That's the line. Insanity. Pure insanity. It's crazy. Gosh. It's crazy.
Yes,
sorry,
it is.
sorry. You guys doing all right? You guys good? Find everything okay? Questions? Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. You guys good?
Yes.
Good? Okay, awesome. You guys all right? Good? Good. Smile. Say cheese.
Oh my gosh, you're big fan.
Oh, smile, say cheese. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Vivi.
What is it?
Viviana.
Viviana. Really nice to meet you. It's all good. Everything's good?
But everything's good
Cool.
with liqueur.
Yeah.
And can you just like put something in? We don't need it to be crazy.
Here's what. No, this is what we got to do,
we gotta
bro.
do it fast.
We have to get together. We have to decide exactly what you want, and then we just do it, and that's it. But it's got to be like when you guys come, this is exactly what we want, and then it's done, bro. We'll get it done. So we got to get a meeting anyway. We haven't met in a few weeks. Let's get a meeting going. Yeah, you guys come out. We'll sit down. We'll let's hammer that. Like, what do you guys need? Let's just hammer it out. And dude, we're just getting more and more efficient, dude. As time goes, we really are. So just come down. Let us know what you need. We'll crank it out, and it's done. It's done. We'll put it in. Okay. So like 100%.
Okay.
I mean, it took us a while to get to the colors.
Yeah.
But we finally got to the colors,
no,
right?
It's good. And
yeah.
It's I mean, we're behind now, but there's nothing we can do.
Yeah.
So
It's all good. Hi. How are you?
But it's doing well, and people keep asking for more colors.
Yeah.
It's
So let's get more colors.
In
Let's
the
get it
market
going.
that it's in, it's moving.
Perfect.
So we just gotta get.
Dude, we're gonna keep cranking on it. So let's keep that going. Just set up a time with Trace or have David, and then let's get a meeting going, and we'll get it done.
All right.
Cool.
Okay. Cool.
Awesome.
All right.
Cool, brother. Okay. Why nails? Why'd you get a nails?
Me.
Are you into nails?
She's a cosmetologist.
Okay, you do hair. Okay.
And I was like, let's do gel nails over Christmas. And next time I came, she was like,
Killing it.
I was
crazy.
like,
She
I
was
can't
like-
stop doing this.
She's like, I need your license, I need to buy nail stuff. And then she started nail school.
And then I started nail school, so now I have my own.
Wow. Good for you. You just fell into your passion and went for it.
It's weird.
I
a
love
little
that.
late in life.
No, no, how old are you? You're like
31.
Oh, dude. First of all, you look like a 21. Seriously. But still, 31. You're still a baby. Okay? You are.
Yeah.
You are. I'm telling you,
No,
you
but
are.
most beauty school girls start when they're 17.
Who cares?
You know?
Listen, it doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is, have you found what you love? And you found it at 31. That is so young. To build something off of that, you are so lucky. People go their whole lives without finding what they really love. So
That's what we were talking about.
it's
Like,
so
what
true.
if I just never went? What if you had never told me to
Let's do some
nail
gel.
polish?
Yeah. How was the show?
Insane.
It was insane.
I just finally looked up.
It's 3 o'clock. There's
Can
like
I
a
eat?
no. You're not allowed to. No. You got to work, even though there's nobody here right now. There's a few people, but it was. You can't get a break. It was incredible show.
Incredible.
I'm exhausted. I didn't really do anything.
You never do anything.
And all I gotta say is our team, unbelievable. They just absolutely killed it. So huge thank you to them. Of course, all of our customers, thank you so much for coming out and hanging out with us today. The hell's my damn car? You ever use this trick? Key to the antenna to make the, look, a green pylon with the number 16 on it, and it doesn't help. Stop in the name of love.